Hi Sparkle Squad, this is Monica. You might be wondering, what are all of these spooky supplies here on my table? I just got back from doing a Halloween haul at the local Dollar Tree. Part of these spooky supplies will be for my very first ever Crafty collab with Stacy at CraftyMommy85 and Stephanie at Stephie Dee Creates. We will each be posting a Halloween themed project on September the 15th on our channels. I will be making a spooky bouquet. I'll be using candies. I am going to be making a candy bouquet. I know I'll be using these candies here. Woo! Zombie fingers, y'all. Zombie fingers. But we will each have a different type of Halloween themed project for you to enjoy as part of this collaboration with our Crafty creator channels here. What do you think about my glasses? You saw those earlier. Now I've got the orange pair on. Ooh, I love the sparkles. I think they look okay. I don't think I've had this cat shape before. I usually tend to do kind of the rectangle frames, but I think that looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Don't pay attention to the lack of makeup, please. Please come back to our channels on September the 15th to check out our Halloween themed projects at CraftyMommy85, Stephie Dee Creates, and here at Sparkle by Monica. Have a spooktacular day, y'all. Bye.